this video, we shred Hesperus Mountain by day and by night. Hello there. Hello there. Hello there.
Hello there.
We're here at Hesperus Mountain. It's Grace's birthday. Happy birthday, there. And we're gonna go have a good day riding the slopes. As you can see, the lines of Hesperus are extensive, and
Hell yeah.
hell yeah. Hesperus Mountain.
Oh.
We're over here at Hesperus Mountain. They're not usually open too much during the winter, so anytime we get a chance to, we try to ride here. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to like and subscribe for future content. Yeah, race to the bottom. I'm just talking a gang of shit right now. Grace, are you gonna win?
I'm gonna win, bitch.
I don't know about that.
Sorry, can I cuss on your video?
Yeah, you can cuss all you want, but you're not gonna win.
So rude!
Unfortunately, we both lost because once we got to the bottom, they had to shut the mountain down for a little bit due to high winds. So we were done for that day, but I came back a little bit later in the week to get some shots of what the mountain looked like at night. Yeah. We're here at Hesperus Mountain. Nice. One of the biggest gems. Snow is good here.
And so we're having a good time.
Hesperus is cool. Wind got some cool footage, but this is all I could scrape together because, well, the GoPro really doesn't like the cold weather. So, while I was waiting for the car to warm up, took a little lap, and this is the best I got. But you should really check Hesperus.